Welcome to Starry Futures. I'm Karen and my furry sidekick Jojo is with me, so let's get started. Pluto is a powerful planet in astrology. It represents transformation and change. Pluto moves slowly. It takes a long time to move through each zodiac sign. From 2008 to 2023, Pluto was in Capricorn. Capricorn is the sign of governments, big institutions, and traditional power structures. Pluto in Capricorn brought intense energy to these areas. We saw the rise of powerful leaders, some good and some not so good. We also saw systems crumble that weren't working. This was Pluto's way of pushing us to transform. Now Pluto is moving into Aquarius. This shift is a big deal. Pluto in Capricorn was a time of intense focus on power. It was about who had it and how they used it. We saw this play out on the world stage. Leaders like Donald Trump rose to power by appealing to people's desire for control and order. These leaders often used fear and division to maintain their grip on power. They resisted change and clung to old ways of doing things. But Pluto in Capricorn was also a time of reckoning. People started to question authority. They demanded more fairness and transparency. Aquarius is a sign of progress, innovation, and community. Pluto in Aquarius is about sharing power. It's about working together to create a better future for everyone. This is a time for collaboration and cooperation. Feminine energy will be very important during this transit. This energy is about nurturing, empathy, and understanding. It's about leading with the heart as well as the head. Pluto in Aquarius won't be easy. There will be resistance from those who benefit from the old ways. We may see more upheaval and unrest as old systems are challenged. But this is a necessary part of growth. We each have a role to play in this transformation. We can embrace the energy of Aquarius by working together, challenging injustice, and using our voices to create positive change. Pluto in Aquarius is a call to action. It's a time to build a world that is more just, equitable, and sustainable for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Keep shining bright. Much love and light to you.